Who the TM is this big man? I don't fucking know who this is, but he's going. Okay. We have
Apples on Yushiro.
and Yushiro versus.
Bro said I'm a cook. Trust.
Yeah. Well, Applz has a. Oh. Ah. Inosuke should have got fucking hit. I'm sorry. Oh. Oh yeah, there we go. Nice DP.
He didn't got much bar to do much with it though.
Yeah,
the
but
damage was nice though. He's dropped the move.
Nice parry! Nice parry. That was nice.
And grab.
And we're ulting.
Ult. You know what? I respect it.
I respect this ult. I respect this ult.
I respect it. What's up, blood?
Nice. That was nice. That was
nice. Beautiful parry. I love that parry. Pile on him. Come on, Applz. Caught him in the air? And caught him from the escape.
Oh.
Tomio reset. He didn't. I think he called it wrong time. Tomio assist though.
Oh, we're DPing. Oh, we clashed with the support and we boosted.
We boosted. Nice.
Oh, put her to sleep, but she jumped at the right time.
Yeah,
oh, we canceled, but we got caught anyway. That would have been so smart, though.
This is a really aggressive Yushiro. I've never seen this before in my life.
He is a really aggressive
Push. Man, he's patient. He's aggressive and patient. That's a devious combination.
Oh, we got caught.
Got caught in the air. Ooh,
and I think we're dead. No!
Ooh, nice.
No!
He is dead here. He should be at least.
He should be dead, yeah. Jesus Christ. Hi. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. I got PTSD from Marvel Rivals. Holy shit. I should probably change that noise. Thank you for the follow, though. I appreciate it.
She said, huh? What was that noise?
No, so when anytime anyone follows me, it's Jeff's ult noise. I just hear nom nom.
Ooh. Yummy, yummy.
Yeah, that jump scare was real. Oh my god. Not make it worse, Winter Soldier's ult? I was thinking it to change it to,
Oh, he committed to the combo. He committed to the combo and it got him killed. That's bad.
Yeah. Alright, Applz is actually like, doing really well. This is, honestly, I don't want to jinx it, right? So I'm gonna wait. Because I'm actually very impressed with Applz right now.
Again. I like his combos and resets. It's funny, Yushiro was one of the characters I wanted to learn, but the low damage was like, to me.
Yeah, the low damage was so weird how Yushiro and Mu came out. Like, it was like two reset characters, but one is just...
Yeah.
Alright, hold on.
Like, Yushiro does have his strengths, but you have to know him.
Yeah. Alright, so this is like skin to the bone. Oh no, stop mashing. Stop mashing, stop mashing, stop mashing. Oh, we got grabbed.
Oh, nice grab.
We are now to the final round.
He's also aggressive.
Oh, I haven't been putting up predictions. I probably should start doing.
You probably should, yes.
Can I put a prediction mid-match? I can actually. Hold on.
You probably can. Ooh, nice parry. Got hit for it though. Oop, weave. And boosted. Okay.
You know what? I'm gonna make it like 2 minutes though. There you guys go.
Weave. He dropped it though.
Yeah, Applz might be in a tough spot though. Oh,
Very
we
much.
got caught.
And he got clipped. Ooh, he dropped it.
Oh, wait.
Ooh, he dropped it and got caught. He doesn't have an immediate. There's not much he can do with this
Yeah,
here.
no, yeah. Oh, that was a great parry.
Good, nice parry.
He is on the skin of his teeth right now. Oh!
Yeah, you don't want to throw out a move like that without any cancels. Why is it asking for all of this? Am I not signed in to start GG? I don't remember my login for start GG.
Oh no. That's not good.
It is not.
Oh, there we go.
Never mind. I figured it out.
Nice. Alright, so Applz has switched off of Yushiro and has gone Orokodaki Makomo, which I have seen this Makomo. Oh, he might be cooking. He might be cooking.
He should be cooking. I am not watching.
Doesn't work for me. Hold on, guys. I should have another one here.
Let me finish this registration real quick.
You guys go.
It's TCU.
Oh, there's Hoodie. Hi, Hoodie. Where have you been?
Hoodie, why you late?
He is way late.
Hoodie, why do we have these problems? Did I not just log in? The fuck?
No, you didn't. Alright.
You've been trying to hold me. Continue. Acknowledge. I am not a robot and restrict.
Oh, that was a great grab. Oh, we got caught. This might be... Oh. No parry. We switched, though. Oh, no. We got caught in the Shinobu heavy. Ugh.
Move the controller. There you go. Ooh, nice parry.
I'm not too cute, am I?
And that's water.
Next time, better have crossplay. It will not have crossplay.
It will not have crossplay. Don't even bet on it.
No, it won't. It's because the older gen consoles. So
interesting reset.
that is an interesting reset, and I think Applz might be
This
cooked.
game, he might be.
He might be cooked.
Just one away.
He's surviving on God's blessing right now. Oh, the clash.
Ooh.
Oh, what is happening? Why is he still alive? Oh my! Why is he still alive?
Grace of his
there
Lord.
we go.
That's crazy. So he DP'd there, but it didn't register at the DP. That's unfortunate.
I think he caught him like the frame.
Like the frame before it's right before it starts. Yeah.